Did you know there's only one mammal in the world that can truly fly like a bird? That's right, bats are the only flying mammals. Unlike flying squirrels which only glide, bats can flap their wings and stay in the air just like birds. There are over 1,400 species of bats, and some, like the giant golden-crowned flying fox, can have a wingspan of up to 5.6 feet. And here's a fun fact, bats help us by eating mosquitoes and pollinating plants. Would you be scared or excited to see one up close? Let us know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing facts in a minute.